open this. Oh, never mind.
Are you getting it all fixed?
Yeah.
You have all the right tools?
Yeah.
Are you changing the engine oil?
No.
What are you working on?
One of the bolts are loose. And none of these did it, so maybe it's this one that'll fit.
Well, I trust you're doing a good job down under there.
Okay.
I like the way you have the wheel chocks in the back. That keeps it nice and safe, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't know. I've no clue. I'm not a car scientist.
What is it? A car scientist?
I'm not a car scientist.
No, it's called a car mechanic.
I don't care what it's called.
And if you're the guy who makes the cars, well, not makes them, but the guy who designs the car is called a automotive engineer.
I have no clue what you just said.
Oh.
Because you're so far away.
Well, you're doing a good job. I'm sure I'll see it when it's all fixed, right?
Yep.
All right, keep at it.
What, Daddy?
Keep at it.